we need to talk. So, I've gotten a few questions lately. Something along the lines of,
Dakota, I own a business, but why should I bother investing in a videographer when I can just film it on my iPhone and put it on social media?
and it occurred to me that there are some people out there, even in Lake Charles, who don't know the difference between an iPhone video for social media and a professional video done by a videographer. So, we're gonna put it to the test today. Let's see which one you like better. We're gonna make an ad for this coffee mug. All right, just a short, maybe 5-10 second thing, something you'd post maybe in your Instagram story or something like that. So we're gonna start with a basic iPhone video. And tell you what, just as a bonus, I've got this light going here, and we're gonna see what happens. Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you about my newest coffee mug. It's really awesome, keeps everything super, super hot, and you know what? You look cool drinking out of it. I could not be more happy with this mug. It's incredible. So make sure you head over to my website and go buy one of these right now. Okay, so that was all right, but you know what would make it look even better is if we shot it maybe in landscape. And let's try this time, we're gonna focus on the coffee mug. And I actually went ahead and made kind of a cool little background with some coffee supplies, just to kind of maybe tie it together, make it look a little bit more professional. So let's try that. All right guys, here it is. This is my latest coffee mug. So you can go ahead and head on over to my website. Go ahead and check it out. And I would love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. So thanks for checking out this video. Okay, so that looked a whole lot better. It was landscape, so it looked a little bit more cinematic, a little bit more professional. There was a little bit of camera movement, but it wasn't too bad, wasn't too shaky or anything like that. But let's see now, I'm going to break out some of my equipment. And now none of this that I'm about to use is super expensive. This is all stuff that you could walk into Best Buy today and buy this stuff. But this has to do with the experience that I have, the experience using camera equipment, the experience using lighting, and all of that tied together will give us something like this.
Introducing the latest in coffee technology. The aesthetic of our newest ceramic mug is sure to blow your mind. Because when you're drinking your coffee, we want people to look at you and say, wow, where'd you find that mug? And then you say, imaginarycoffeemug.com.
So, which one did you like better? Go ahead and tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you thought. Also, coming up soon, I'm going to be hosting a webinar for business owners and individuals on the basics of video editing. And then we're going to move on to things like the basics of cinematography, just the bare minimum that you need as a business owner to create decent content for your online social media presence. Thanks for watching. See you later.